What's up, y'all? It's your boy Ricky, and I'm back with another video. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm reacting to Texas Chainsaw Massacre official trailer on Netflix. I didn't know they were making another Texas Chainsaw Massacre. They made like 4 of them hoes, but we have to see what this is all about. I'm a big fan of horror movies, so I'm about to see if this looks trash or not. And yeah, if you're new, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. We're about to jump right into it. Let's get it. Is this like a show or a movie? Oh, hell no. It looks like it's a show.
Harlow is a ghost town.
We have a vision for this place. All it needs is young blood.
I don't want to live here. This is a chance for people to start fresh somewhere. Somewhere safe. Hey guys. You should see this.
Hell no. Fuck, I'm not going in there.
In our house. Really shouldn't be here.
Damn, the black dude died first?
Oh my god.
Damn.
This is hardest to you.
Sally, I'm afraid your old friend's back.
50 years I've been waiting for this night. Just to see him again. Leatherface. Looks like it's you that he wants. I'm not gonna let him kill you. Fear no evil. Fear no evil.
Damn.
Try anything and you cancel, bro.
Alright, y'all, this is a reaction video. My thoughts on it. Honestly, I don't know. It seems like it's gonna be a TV show. I don't really rock with TV shows, I'm gonna be honest. I'm more of a movie type of guy, so it looks alright, I guess, but I don't know. I'm gonna check it out though. It looks like a TV show. If it is, I'm still gonna check it out. Yeah, it looks kinda interesting to me. I ain't gonna lie. I'll give it a 7, 8 out of 10. I love horror movies, so I'm about to definitely probably gonna check it out. Yeah, so I'm in this video right here. If you're new, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next reaction video.